Okay, today we'll be looking at the Donaldson oil filter, number P550008. And I got this at my local Fleet Pride for $6.40. So let's get started.
It's just a matter of you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration, piping in here.
Okay, so she comes wrapped in this plastic. Take this off. And I couldn't find a date code on this. And it actually has a little dent to it. You know, normally I would return this, but I want to see if it did any damage inside. Legit. It's a small dent. I doubt it did, but you never know. Check that out. And let's see. Made in Mexico by Donaldson. Yeah, and like I said, I couldn't find no date code on here. Okay, she has 8 inlet holes. And I'm not sure what kind of anti-drain back valve that is. We'll have to see when we open it up. I see a metal core with louvers. And it looks like a bypass valve down below. Let's show you this nitro ring here. Yeah, it's on there okay. Pretty good size filter. I say let's open this baby up and see what she looks like inside. Okay, here she is cut open. Let's get her weight. 487 grams. How about just the base plate? 180 grams. Let's take a look at the base plate. You got a nice amount of threads here. The O-ring's nice. You know, it sticks out pretty good. Seems like you'd get a good seal. Nice amount of holes. Yeah, the base plate's fine. Okay, get your nitro rubber anti-drain back valve. I'll cover up the holes nicely. Okay, and the filter element, let's weigh it first. 168 grams. Got a metal crimp seam right here. And I counted 62 pleats. This is a cellulose media. And micron rating isn't the greatest. It says 99% at 40 microns. And I got all this information from the Donaldson website, so you can look it up if you want yourself. I'll put a link down below. These look like thick pleats, though. Oh, it's got a bypass valve right here. And that's got a setting of 7 to 10 psi. Nice metal end caps. Yeah. Pleats are nicely spaced. Gotta say that much. It looks nice. Okay, let's look at the rest of it. Look at the size of the spring. Nice big giant coil spring. Let's see what that weighs. 21 grams. It's a big guy. Well, that should give it the boing effect. Let's try that out. If I can get my hands wrapped around, this is a big filter. But you can see the boing effect. Okay, let's weigh the can. Can weighs 110 grams. Let's get a thickness on it. 0.56 millimeters. It's about average. It feels average. I don't think that dent would do anything. You know, with this big spring in there, where is it? Right here. It didn't do anything. It didn't do anything to the bottom of this, to the end caps or anything. So I don't think that would hurt anything. But I still probably wouldn't want to use it though. Let's measure the filter media. .53 inches wide. Big filter. 3.14 inches this way. And the overall length here is 4.15 inches. You can see all your louvers in there. Yeah, it's not bad. It's a nice clean filter. Gotta say that much. I just did that with the calipers. But I say we cut this baby open, see how long she is. I would guess this is going to be a long one with all the pleats, 62 pleats. I have a lot of filter media here. So let's open her up and stretch her out. Okay, here she is stretched out. And she's 78 inches long. It's a lot of filter media. Okay, so here she's at the seam. And let's measure the thickness. 0.95 millimeters. It's a little thicker than average. Usually they're around 0.8. Close up. Kind of surprised about the high micron rating on this. But let's look at the rest of the filter. I mean, if you're looking for filter media, wow, you got it here over something like 275 square inches. Got a solid core here. Louvers. Nitro rubber anti-drain back valve. Nice base plate. And this is a nice solid spring. This is a big one. Can's nice. Yeah, the only fault I see on this is the micron rating. What do you guys think about this filter? Please post your comments down below. Well, you know, I think I'm going to wrap this video up. Don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.